Frustrated with the Taglib-sharp library DLL pop-up blocking Taglib project? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we dive into the Taglib-sharp library manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Taglib-sharp library, a popular .NET library for reading and writing ID3 tags and metadata in media files. If missing, automated music organizers or media players will report an assembly load failure, preventing the display of artist or album information. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Errors involving Taglib-sharp library DLL typically suggest that the TagLib project files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Taglib-sharp library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Keep in mind that Taglib-sharp library DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Taglib-sharp library references. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Taglib-sharp library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.